Traditionally, servers and users are what make up a network, which usually works like this. Servers store users' information and accessing it requires some conditions. The server must be online, it must have enough bandwidth and enough storage capacity. This is where the blockchain IPFS comes in. It works in a revolutionary way thanks to its innovative architecture. Users become part of a decentralized server, basically replacing classic servers. All information is encrypted and stored in users' devices. What's more, an innovative algorithm allows it to always be online, so the previous conditions for accessing information from a classic server no longer apply. Here are the rules the blockchain IPFS follows. A. Uploaded documents are encrypted with users' private keys. B. Uploaded documents are tracked by signature throughout the whole network. C. Uploaded documents are accessed with public keys and decrypted with private keys. D. The system computes and makes movements to be sure the documents are always online. An innovative encryption algorithm ensures the security of documents. Every source code of each file is encrypted and turned into a hash. The consequence? A variable length of code becomes a fixed length with a signature. This way, we get a fixed hash with a unique fingerprint. The DAG direction acyclic graph of the network is continuously improved by using the Merkle tree algorithm, and this way the system health is maintained. That means the system always uses the perfect moment to get all the available hashes and creates a new root of a unique hash. This is the innovative technology allowing the network to provide infinite storage size. The number one property of the blockchain is that it verifies user availability. It also eliminates duplicates and fraud by using the decentralized algorithm. Here at Crypto Data, we created B-IPFS in order to build a decentralized network. Our aim is to provide automatic scalability which protects, corrects, and validates every action for better security. EWTL is an innovative technology that secures the privacy of your digital location. And here's how it works. Every internet-connected device has an IP address for identification. Each time you connect to a third-party server, your IP is vulnerable to hackers. EWTL uses a groundbreaking algorithm in order to protect the identity and location of VOBP users. Since all devices function as servers, we can use random devices selected by the blockchain to become central points. Other devices send out coordinates into the network that are in accordance with the selected devices, displaying their location. This process keeps the real location hidden. A combination of military technology and the VOBP encryption algorithm ensures the security of coordinates. Revealing your location and sharing it with another user requires peer-to-peer communication with end-to-end encryption. What's more, the blockchain system constantly checks to ensure security integrity. Each individual location, device, and position becomes a new unique hash. Users can only decrypt if they have a common key for the communication channel. It's important to know that devices used as servers cannot decrypt information. They are simply used as walls with no decryption keys. The multiple innovations behind EWTL ensure your privacy and always keep your information safe, so you're no longer vulnerable every time you go online. This is the universe with infinite numbers of possibilities. Imagine how it would be like if you could be here and there at the same time, having different activities. This might seem impossible in our daily life, but crypto data engineers applied the theory of relativity in virtual reality to obtain the most advanced telecommunication technology, matrix identity. The matrix ID allows the users to create an infinity of unique phone numbers and to use them with an infinity of unique organizations. Also, our new technology has an advanced security system. Here is why. Because everything in blockchain is decentralized, the validity and uniqueness of your wallet's ID are continuously verified by miners from all over the world, which makes your identity impossible to be hacked. Combining all the information, crypto data engineers have created Impulse K1 smartphone, because privacy is the new order. Combined with BOBP and integrated in both Impulse K1 and WIM, the new technology eliminates taxes and third parties. How is this possible? Let's compare the actual technology with the Matrix ID. Usually, if you want to have more phone numbers, you must have multiple devices or more SIM cards. For example, if you want to have a number for work, one for the family, one for business, or for any other purpose, you must have more phones or switch the SIM cards in the same phone. This means more money, wasted time, and stress. If you want to call somebody in another country or network, you'll have extra costs. With Matrix ID, you don't even need a SIM card. You only need the Impulse K1 device. This technology allows you to create an infinite number of wallets and to assign them an ID. These IDs can be registered in one or more organizations and to set a pack of rules. Also, with Matrix ID, you can create your own organization and offer you the possibility to set your own personalized pack of rules. Smart, secure, and user-friendly.
They say a new piece of malware comes out every 3.8 seconds. HP PCs will protect your data, your device itself, and the identity of you and your workforce. We build security in the hardware. Good security is layered. We protect below the operating system, we protect in the operating system, and we protect above the operating system. And everything that we promise you for security, you get. So Sure Start, Sure Click, all the authentication, fingerprint reader, privacy screen, webcam shutter, all built into the Z promise. Hackers go below the operating system. HP will protect your BIOS, protect your firmware. This means hackers cannot attack and live in the basement of your PC or the basement of your house and see everything that is going through the PC and steal from it. It's that private a place. One of the things we all have in common is that we have terrible browsing practices. We put everything that you do via browsing in a sandbox. You can be clicking on all sorts of strange sites. If you downloaded a malicious piece of software or you ended up on a site which was trying to siphon off your passwords, all of that is now contained in a hardened sandbox and you're protected. When I started this job, I thought just building